Uh-oh.
Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget. Hello. So extra video today because outside it's raining cats and dogs. Yeah, I'm just bored, so I cannot go out. I cannot even take my doggy for a walk, so what can we do? So today I've spent the whole day watching YouTube. Yeah, I know, shoot me. Why? I have been watching how to grow my channel. Yeah, I know, stupid Joe again. So yeah. Did I learn something? I don't think so. I really don't think so. It just made me more stupid. It's now thundering all around. Anyway, I don't know what I wanted to say. I didn't want to say anything. I just wanted to let you know how my day went. My God, my English is getting so. Anyway, yeah, I've been watching these YouTube videos on how to grow my channel, how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to get 1 million subscribers in one day. Yeah, about that. So yeah, I didn't get 1,000 subscribers in one day. I didn't get 1 million subscribers in one day. I think I needed like 4 or 5 months to get them. And those were really hard 4 or 5 months of getting subscribers. That means you had to speak to every person you met and ask them, please subscribe to my channel. Why? Oh, yeah, that's why. And why should I do that? Oh my God. And talking to all of your friends, family, and I don't know who else, everyone that you meet or at least know, even on Facebook, you ask, please subscribe to my channel, and then after 4 or 5 months I got those 1,000 subscribers. If you want to get monetized for YouTube, you need to get 1,000 subscribers. That's why you need 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, after that I kind of gave up on subscribers. No, but I do that. What everybody tells me, in every video you should call out, please subscribe to my channel because I'm the best in the world, Yeah, I do that. So yeah, that's basically it. Yeah. You ask in every video, hey, please like and subscribe. I'm so boring, like and subscribe. When I hear a YouTuber ask me to like and subscribe, I would take a gun and and what do I do then? Yeah, I do the same. If you have any idea how I can change this, please write me in the comments. Oh, but I don't know. I really don't know, guys. But I hate it. And I hate doing this in every video. So if you can please tell me how to change this. Or just tell me don't do anything. But then I'm afraid my channel would be stuck at zero growth, And now we are about 1,400 subscribers. But if I stop doing this, I'm afraid we would just stop growing. So yeah, what are your thoughts on that? What do you think, guys? Does it annoy you too? It annoys me, When I do it, it annoys me so much. Asking for subscribers, if you don't know what we are talking about, if you just skipped the video to here and now you know. Yeah. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to talk about today, because whole day I have been watching these guys on YouTube talking about subscribers. Subscribe. Okay, I will not swear anymore because I think YouTube will literally cut me off if I swear anymore in this video. So I will try to restrain myself. Yeah. In real life, I would not restrain. I would. So yeah, guys. I don't know. My head is empty. Maybe I had too much to drink. Okay, let's end this video here. And if you have any questions, ask me. I am now an expert. I watched the whole day of these experts telling me how to do my YouTube channel. So if you have any question about your YouTube channel, ask me. I'm now an expert. I know everything. I know everything. Whatever you want to know. Big Joe knows the truth. Will I share it with you? Oh. We'll see. If you ask me nicely, maybe I will share it with you. You know how I will end this video? Hey guys, if you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe. Where's the gun? Where's the gun? So thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, put a like there, and see you next time.